is up? It is Jess here, and today I'm going to be fixing this phone, and I already kind of took it apart just to kind of see what was the insides. Basically, we're replacing this part right here, and this is the charging board. You would plug it into the charger, it would go to 50%, and it would completely die. And this phone is a Samsung S. Oh, you could just see the reflection of the camera. It is a Samsung S4. This is just the back of the phone because I already took it apart. And we will be fixing the phone. I know it is an old phone, but my mom would like it downstairs to play music and stuff. We're going to try to fix that issue. We tried getting another battery for it. Well, my mom tried getting another battery for it, so I do have two batteries here. Both batteries are technically good. But the thing is that the charging board was the thing that was wrong with the phone. So we are going to fix this charging board. So what I have here is the phone. It's in many pieces. Oh God. So let me show what I have. I have all the screws in this little baggie here. I don't know if you guys can see that, yeah. And then this is the back piece here. So we're going to have to remove this piece that comes down here and this bottom piece. This is the thing for the screen, and I took the motherboard out because I was just playing around with it and I decided to take the motherboard out, so I didn't have to. But this is the motherboard, if you guys want to take a look. That's the motherboard that is inside a Samsung Galaxy S4 phone. That's the little camera and the back camera there. And yeah, so if you look, this is where you put like this is where you would put an SD card. This is where your SIM card goes. I do actually have a SIM card in there, but who knows. So yeah, and then this is another part of the phone that kind of goes on top of everything. It's one of the first pieces I took out. Well, it has the little speaker, and that's the back of it. So basically, we're just gonna put this back together because it is in a million pieces. And yeah, let's just get to it, I guess. This here is for the screen, and we will need to remove this part here. Now before we do that, I'm going to put the motherboard back into the phone. So let's do that. Actually, this here is for the touch, I believe. And then this here is actually for the screen. And this little white wire here is for the antenna. And this is for like your music and all that stuff. So these are like the little lights you see on the top of the phone. So we're gonna have to attach all these again. But we're going to lift up this other wire here. We're going to place this down just like, we're going to hold these back. And we're going to place this down kind of like lower than what it's supposed to go. And we're going to just kind of tilt it into place. Lift this up, slide that in. Then we're going to have to lift this up. We'll lift this one up. And I'm going to screw this into here to hold it down. There we go. Now the motherboard is now back in place. And guys, when putting these back, you gotta like not put that much pressure, but then put also pressure. And once you hear it kind of click, you are all set. To put this back. We're going to put this one back. Put this one back and put this one back. Okay, so those are all snapped in. Now our next part is to kind of not move this piece that much. We're going to have to remove this. I'll do it backwards. We're going to have to remove this little wire here. It is. I kind of already took this part. And we're going to have to replace this piece. And this wire is kind of in my way. Hello. How are you? And I'm going to use this little piece to pry it off. Okay. Okay. Put it into place. just like so. I'm gonna remove this little wire here. And we're gonna just kind of wiggle this into the correct place. Once it's in the correct place, we'll remove the sticky adhesive so it'll stick to the phone. We're just gonna peel it out. This is my theory. You don't have to do this. You could take the adhesive off before, but I wanted to make sure it fit and everything correctly. So we're just gonna remove that. Hello. Thank y'all. We're going to take this and we're going to just plop it down right into place here. Hold it for a couple seconds. Oh. Oh. Oh, why are you not? Oh, I have a wire. Okay, and then there's another little sticky one right here. And we do not want this sticky one getting stuck to this. There we go. So we're going to remove that. We're going to place this down, hold this up. And we're just going to have to now just attach everything because now everything should be in place. All the sticky stuff is, all the adhesive is stuck, and we're just going to need to attach the screen here. This is the next piece that goes on. It's just a casing for the back. And you see this is the piece that has the buttons for the side of the phone. So we're going to want to just kind of place this down like this. And we're just going to want to like snap it in. Just like so. So now you got the side of the phone finally back together. And you just kind of want to make sure it's not like bubbled or anything. Just snap that in. We're just going to snap this in. Just like so. So now we just got to put all the screws back because otherwise it's just going to fall apart on us. Okay guys, so the phone is finally charged and is at 100%. Oh, it's at 100% and it has not turned off. Everything is good, the Wi-Fi still works, it's still functioning with the apps and the touchscreen and all that. So everything is all good, and now finally it has not turned off. I left it on for a couple minutes and hasn't turned off yet. And I think it's finally fully charged, and I think it's back to working like a normal phone. That's the piece that was broken. It's called the charging board. It's called the charging board, and up here connects to the motherboard. So that's the piece that needed to be replaced. So if you are having that issue with your phone, I got this on eBay. It came with like a bunch of little tiny screwdriver things and like a little thing to pry open to help you. And it was only like $2.99, so I figured I'd give it a shot, and I finally fixed the phone. If your phone's being weird, please leave a comment down below. And if you thought this was interesting, looking on the inside of a phone, please leave a like. Otherwise, if you like these videos and you want to see more, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!